Hi guys, I'm Riddhi. Welcome back to yet another exciting video. In today's video, I'll be sharing my makeup haul that I bought from Myntra and Nykaa. So initially this video was going to be only a huge Nykaa haul, but the Jagrut Grahak in me actually woke and I decided to compare the prices of the makeup products just like I did during my ethnic wear haul video. So in my ethnic wear haul video also I did compare the prices of the outfits and made my purchase. So I had to hands down do the same with this haul and had to compare the prices of these makeup products before I make the purchase. Fast forward to today, I have all the products here with me. Before I begin with today's video, if you guys haven't seen me or are seeing me for the very first time, then hi, hello, my name is Riddhi and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, DIY and many more every single week. So if you like watching such content, then please take a moment and hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon right next to it so that whenever I upload a video, you get notified. And without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. I just have 4 products from Myntra, so let's just quickly dive into those. I have the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation in the shade 220, which is natural beige. Usually I used to go for 210, which is sun beige, but lately I've been realizing that sun beige is a little darker for my skin. Pata nahi kyun, this is my third bottle from this brand. Iske pehle I used to use Lakme ka the stick bottle, the very old bottle, and then I gradually moved on to BB cream. So there was this Garnier ka BB cream that Garnier had launched. Eventually I moved to Lakme again, so Lakme ka CC cream, and then this was my second foundation, the second brand and the second foundation. So Maybelline Fit Me has been with me for years and this is my holy grail product whenever it comes to foundation, because this is a drugstore product but it does the job beautifully. Like itna acha iska effect hai, itna acha iska finish hai that you can hardly move on to some other brand. So मेरे साथ ना हमेशा यही होता है, अगर मैंने कोई भी एक ऐसा product देख लिया from this one particular category and if I like it, I am not going to move to any other brand of that for that same category of product. So this is exactly what happened with me. It is very lightweight, it is buildable, so it is medium coverage, very lightweight, but you can build it up. So that is a very good thing about this. Moving on to the second and third item actually, which is the concealers. So again, I think ये Myntra का पूरा haul is Maybelline का, because all of the products are from Maybelline. So the second and third product is Maybelline के concealers. So talking about the concealers, I have the Maybelline Fit Me concealer here in the shade 20 Sand. So initially जब मैंने start किया था concealers buy करने का, तो तभी सिर्फ 2 ही shades आते थे, which was sand and light. So I had both of them and even now I've ordered sand and light with me. So the sand one is pretty much close to my skin, so what I do is I use this to conceal my dark spots, my under eyes and the dark spots on my face with this one. And with the light, what I do is I try to highlight the points on my face. So I pretty much like this because ye wala jo shade hai light is, it is 1 or 2 shades lighter than my skin, so it does the job pretty well and it gives me that glow. So even now I've applied the light which I have. तो ये वाला तो मैंने खोला नहीं है, but I have it here, ये पुराना वाला which is also 10, which is light. So I still have this much left, लेकिन I love this product so much कि ये खत्म होने से पहले मैंने ये वाला भी मंगा दिया. The reason being जो मेरा sand है वो खत्म हो चुका था, तो I had to repurchase, तो might as well buy both of them again, right? Because मैं हमेशा जोड़ियों में ही खरीदती हूँ हर चीज़ें. People have asked me what is the difference between the sand and medium of Maybelline's Fit Me concealers. So there's only one thing that I would like to tell you guys कि जो sand है ना, that has a pink undertone to it and The medium has a slightly yellow undertone to it. You are neither cool nor you are warm, you are the neutral tone, so you can opt for the sand shade, but if your skin tone moves towards a little warmer side, then you can try the medium shade of the Maybelline Fit Me concealer as well. Both of the products work beautifully, so बिना सोचे आप बस खरीद लो इसको. This is going to work beautifully on your skin. These products are super inexpensive and come for around $325 each. If you are a beginner who wants products that fit in your budget but also to perform well, trust me, Maybelline के Fit Me range is the best option for you guys. So it also, like, for the amount that you pay, you get a very decent quality. You also get very good quantity, and for a drugstore product to work this way, I mean, the finish is beyond your expectations. Trust me, mark my words. So moving on to the last product of this haul, we have the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick in the shade Amazonian. So this is how the packaging looks. So it has a doe foot applicator, which I am pretty much excited about. Shade. So oh my god guys, just look at it. What happens is na, it oxidizes a little. So abhi to this looks a little dark, but slowly it's, when it mattes out, this is going to oxidize a little. So yeah, this is a very beautiful shade, I must tell you guys. It stays on your lips for more than 10 hours, I would like to say. मैं सोई हूँ इस लिपस्टिक में, पी हूँ, खाई हूँ, सोई हूँ, लिटरली मैंने सब कुछ करके देखा है. मैंने इसको स्मज करके भी देखा है. Let it dry a little, then I'll try smudging it off, and you guys can see the live demo that it actually stays super well on your lips. और मैंने इसको actually 24 hours से ज़्यादा अपने lips पे apply करके रखा है, and still it did not budge at all. I love it so much that I actually hate this product a little because it never comes out easily. Like मैं उसको घिसती जाती हूँ, लेकिन निकलता ही नहीं है. Unless you don't like use a very good makeup remover, it is not going to come off. आप चाहे ऑयल यूज़ कर लो, आप चाहे क्लेंजिंग मिल्क यूज़ कर लो, क्लेंजिंग बाम यूज़ कर लो, it is not coming off. As you guys know that I do not use any makeup remover or any cleansing balm. I only use the olive oil to remove my makeup. I think सिर्फ इस lipstick को निकालने के लिए I'll have to invest in a good makeup remover. So if you guys know any makeup remover that is under budget, then please leave your suggestions in the comment section and tell me guys. I also saw Kritika from That Boho Girl talk about the same, literally the same product on her recent Myntra makeup haul as well. मुझे पता नहीं था, मैंने already order कर लिया था, लेकिन I was surprised कि oh my god, even she loves this lip shade a lot. So yeah, this is the perfect nude shade for everyday wear as well. Now that this product is a little dried, let's try smudging it off. So अब ये पूरी तरह से सूखा नहीं है, इसलिए वो इतना घिसने पे भी इतना कम बाहर आ रहा है. So when you actually apply this lipstick ना, give it a minute or two to let it sit on your lips, let it adhere to your lips before you actually start moving around and doing your daily chores. अभी तो ये सूख गया और फिर भी मैं इसको निकाल रही हूँ तो वो नहीं निकल रहा है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा घिसने पे वो निकल रहा है, छूट रहा है. See, that's it for today's video. That's it for my makeup haul from Myntra and Nykaa. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you did, please tell me what was your favorite product from this makeup haul in the comments below. And also, if you found any of your makeup products that you swear by in this video, if not, please leave your suggestions in the comments and tell me ki what are the other products that you would like me to try on, and what are the other products that you would like me to review for you guys. I will definitely try my best to review them for you guys. And as always, you know what to do. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and also share this video with all of your friends and families, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys super soon. Bye.